Hello everyone, I am Mrutyunjay Suar. I am the CEO of KIIT Technology Business Incubator. As an enabler of startup ecosystem, we started our journey in 2010, and so far, I've been mentoring large number of startups in the sector of manufacturing, deep tech startup, and also with a social impact. I must thank EDI Ahmedabad for confirming with 2022 Dr. Patel Memorial Award. This award is quite interesting and quite meaningful for us. Well, less number of awards, such kind of awards given to people who are enabling the startup ecosystem, and this is one of them. So I must invite other enablers who are enabling the startup ecosystem in the country must apply for Dr. B.G. Patel Memorial Award for this year. This is very, very interesting. This encourages not only us, but also the whole startup ecosystem of country. Thank you, EDI Ahmedabad, for such a platform. Thank you.